One of the real values of our organisation is that we want to make a difference in the world. And to make a difference in the world, you have to do something which is practical. And I believe that the object of the book is to actually provide practical advice to people on how to make a difference in their environmental activities of their organisation, their factory, their construction work site, a whole range of different activities to actually make a practical difference in what they do. You know, this is really an expression of what we're on about, is to actually make a difference in the world, to create the world the way it should look like rather than destroying the world by inches as we're currently doing. Thank you all.
He perceived a need in the marketplace where on-site environmental officers that were not necessarily professionals but were health and safety and supervisors had to manage environmental roles. He perceived a need and a gap in their training and in their education, and subsequently that course, which is quite a brilliant course. Secondly, the book now actually fills another need and a gap that those people that can't necessarily attend courses but need some background information at the appropriate level. Yeah, look, the people in industry that could use this book are anyone on an industrial site, anyone that's on perhaps a power plant site, anyone that's working on a construction, a linear project, be a roadway, railway line, pipeline, major industrial facilities, and some that we will be seeing at Gladstone shortly, and then people mine sites, and even those officers within council that have similar roles. There's many. I mean, we're probably talking, you know, there'd be 50 to 100,000 people in the industry that probably are at that level that need some form of education.
Phil's an absolute guru in the environmental world, and this book's long overdue in that industry, and I think Phil's take on things and his expertise and his knowledge is going to be great learning for everybody. And if you really want to know anything about that sort of subject, that's the book to read.
And it is a very informative course. It filled a lot of void in my own knowledge, and has actually helped me improve our company and our company's image and the presentation of our yards. And the book, I just think it's just complements everything that we've learned, and I'm sure it's going to be on my desk for many years to come.
You have fun with that.
And now that I've got the book, I'm well and truly adequately able to do what I have to do in my job.
In some of these major projects we see, quite often somebody's elevated to an environmental role with no environmental education. All of a sudden they're under the pump to deliver. It's a 6-month project, a 12-month project. To go out and get 1 or 2 or 3 weeks training to get to that level is quite often not in the budget and almost near impossible for them to fit in. So having a ready reference and having a book of this sort is absolutely invaluable to them.